Good morning. It's a beautiful day, and I thought I'd invite you into my morning routine, which usually consists of cleaning the floor from the yogurt spillage and all other things that have landed on the floor. This is pretty much something I do every single time we have a meal, and especially in the morning when I just choose to give my kids yogurt and I have to clean up the consequences. I get dressed. I bought this jumper in a charity shop and I really like it, and that's Leo stealing the camera. I drink my tea because that's when I was a little bit sick, feeling under the weather. This is a bit unusual. We sometimes try to go out. Don't always manage, but we have a little garden and the leaves were piling up, and I thought today is the day I'm going to get them cleaned up. The roses still look nice at that point, and you can tell it's probably a while ago because this I think was in October. So this is just a little overview of what we did. I harvested my last tomatoes, and if I'm honest, Leo harvested the last one for me after I thought I finished my harvest. And that was everything we've got, and that was very nice. We also celebrated Halloween as a family. We held a Harry Potter themed party, and my sister-in-law made this really cool letter from Hogwarts, and you can see that on her YouTube channel. We also went to Tutton Park. They have a farm there. We went for the first time. It was really beautifully decorated and we had lots of fun. Leo really loved it, and I thought it was such a gorgeous day, and that day was really hard actually, initially in the night especially, and it was so nice to be out in nature, and cornfields is just something, and also the pigs just remind me of home. My granddad used to have pigs, and they're such clean and beautiful animals. You wouldn't even think that they stink. They are amazing animals. I love pigs. We were also meeting friends, going to playgrounds. It was quite a busy month, October. I wanted to share this beautiful pumpkin pie recipe with you, but for some odd reason I messed up. So it was so liquidy and just didn't turn out, so I didn't want to share it with anyone. We went to the Harry Potter Forbidden Forest experience. It was really fun. I was reading, making myself a chai latte, putting my feet up on my child's jumperoo. Happy Hoppers, anyway. And I was also drawing something for Folktale week that I actually never submitted in the end because it's just I didn't have the energy and time to finish it, but that's just an idea for the future, and that's just how it goes sometimes. Some months they are very productive and some months aren't really. I also tried my hand at animating, and as you can see it's not quite right at the eyelids, for example, but I had fun. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time for more motherhood and picture book related videos. See you. Bye.